Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aero Photography. I gotta start this video out a little bit differently because I did do a intro out there at Loudon Court, but the audio didn't work. So now I gotta do something different. I do want to say we are going to fly over LaGrange. We are going to fly over Sack Rider Path only because saying Sack Rider Path is really funny. And it being Sack Rider Path in LaGrange, I think that is hysterical. So we are going to fly down Sack Rider Path, and we're going to see the Village of LaGrange, and we're going to also see Lakeview. There are some houses being built, which are villas over in Lakeview, and there's some verandas in the corner down there by the central lake. So we're going to see those verandas also in LaGrange. They could be in Oak Hollow, but they're going to be down there in that little corner right there off of Marsh Bend Trail and Central Lake. So we're going to see that. I do want to say that I do have faith in the building process of the villages. I do like the way the developer works. Also, if you see something being built on your house and it's incorrect, or the paint's not right, you can wait a little bit because the house is going to be inspected. The superintendent's going to come through and check it all out. They'll catch that. That's a simple mistake. Or you can call your sales agent and let them know, hey, the color is wrong, there's a hole in the wall. But the thing is, the Villages is not union, but they do work like they are union workers. Now, the electricians are going to come tomorrow, and you're going to say, hey, there's a hole there. The electricians can't fix that hole. They're going to have to wait until the people for the drywall come in and fix the drywall. And then you're going to have to wait to have the painters come in and paint over that hole. So it might look like they're not doing anything, but there's a process. And I believe in the process. I have seen it hundreds of times here in the Villages. It works very well. So let's go take off and see LaGrange. All right, we are starting here at Munn's Path, right above the Oak Hollow Rec Center. We're going to fly south. We're going to check out what's going on down through here. You can see that they have walls up. They have some underneath. They have some houses under roof. You can see that stick-built house down there. That'll be under roof next week. You can see that they have some foundations done. So those walls will be up this week. You can see the houses on Central Lake. How far they have gotten. Man, check out that. What is that, one of those Lawrence 2s? St. Lawrence 2 houses? Premier houses. You can see they have graded some lots. So you know that they will be surveying those lots here shortly. But check them out. Man, you look at Eastport over there. You can see down there you can see the LaGrange Postal and Rec Center. All right, we have moved back up here to Craig Court, and we're going to go down Glen Trail. Look at all the houses down through here. You got foundations, walls, some under roof. Check them all out. They haven't started none of these verandas or villas up in this area. But check them out. As we fly south here, we're going to come down here to Sack Rider Path. Like I said, I like saying Sack Rider Path here in LaGrange. Alright, down there at the bottom of the screen, that is one of the walking paths, entrances to Central Lake, to the path around Central Lake. Here we are on Sack Rider Path. I think it's pretty cool. We're going to fly down through here, see a little bit of Sack Rider Path. Look at the houses being built down through there. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and a neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. All right, these are the verandas down here in LaGrange. Check them out. Look at all the verandas along the lake there. They all have pools. You know, each one of those are going to go for like well over $800,000, and they will all be in a lottery. Good luck, and choose wisely. As we come around further west, check out these verandas along Marshpin Trail. They all have pools also. Sorry, that was a short glimpse. This is the Village of LaGrange down here by Eastport. Everybody's worried about these lots down through here. You can see all the sand that they are putting in there. And this area here is much higher than LaGrange on the other side of Craig Court. So these people are going to be looking over LaGrange. And you see they have a little bit more to go down through here, but they will start building down through here. And I think all these will be spec homes, but who knows? All right, here we are in the Village of Lakeview. Check it out. We have some villas being built down through here. This is up here in the northwest corner of Lakeview. And all those concrete villas. Check them out. Pretty cool. I see a couple of them down there that I like. Look at that 2-car garage with a golf cart. It's a nice villa. You know that's going to be in the lottery. You can see all the walls down through here being staged. But none of the lots down through here for the executive or premier homes are ready to be surveyed. So they're not going to start building down through here for a while. You can see Eastport over there to the right of the screen. Central Lake looks lovely. We just had some good rain. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine. Isn't that right? Huh? Don't you agree? Watch his videos. Huh? Watch my videos. Do you think they should watch my videos? Come on. Tell them. Watch my videos. Do 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 do. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.